Hi guys, and welcome to Sino Supercars. So in the last video we did the black grille install on my F21 series, and now we're actually going to be installing the M3 M4 style gloss black mirrors. So let me quickly show you what they look like. So you can see that this is what they look like. They're gloss black, and then they basically have got that wing like the M3 and M4. And you'll see here that there's three clips here that need to come out of the original mirror. So we're gonna try a method where we pry this out from this side. There is another technique where you can take the mirror out, but I am afraid to break it, so we're gonna try not to do that one. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so that is the mirror off now. I did break one of the clips like an idiot, but yeah, that's off. And now I'm gonna do the other side first because I want to make sure I can get both off before I just have one black one and one white one. So let's do that quick. Okay, after much fumbling around and breaking stuff as usual, they are actually on and they look fantastic. I actually really love them. So this is what the car looks like now with the black. Oh, that looks so good. With the black M-style mirrors and the black grille. Oh, I love it. It looks so nice. And so that's the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll check you in the next one. Maybe we'll be doing some more modifications. Maybe we'll be at an event, car reviews, all that good stuff on the channel. Thanks so much for watching once again.